Hello. I'm Makara, the founder of A Minute for an Advanced Word. Welcome, English learner here. Today I'm delighted to share a word with English learner here. Can you guess what is that? Voracious. Voracious. The part of speech is an adjective. Greedy, very eager for something, especially a lot of food. Here are the 10 examples. Anna has a voracious appetite. P2 is a voracious reader of historical novels. Both these species are extremely voracious. The best writers are voracious readers. These children are voracious eaters. He read the book voraciously. After doing exercise, I find that I have a voracious appetite. There are many voracious animals that will eat anything. Vampires are voracious creatures who must consume blood in order to survive. The best students are voracious learners. Here are the synonyms. Voracious. A. Greedy. B. Vicious. C. Dull. And D. Careless. I choose A. Greedy. Voracious mean greedy. Voracious mean greedy. Alright, all English learner here. Today we learn the word voracious all together. I train you to become a voracious reader. I train you to become a great English learner. Voracious. Remember the word voracious all together. Voracious reader, voracious English learner. Thank you so much for today. Bye bye.